Hi Taurus! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi inyong Sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Taurus, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of August. Taurus. The Sun. Happy outcome, brilliant new ideas that lead to success. Have confidence in yourself. Okay. Magtiwala sa inyong sarili, sa inyong kakayahan. May mga magaganda kayong ideas na naiisip. Maybe for some of you, nag-iisip kayo ng mga opportunities or mga businesses na pwede nyong pasukin, pwede nyong umpisahan or gawin. Okay? Tingnan natin for Taurus, please. Okay. Taurus. Okay. Okay. Expect the unexpected, Taurus, okay? Navigate your emotions. Kung meron kayong mga disappointments sa inyong ginagawa dahil pagod na kayo, okay? Sa inyong situation, maybe in your family life, in maintaining or sustaining your relationship, okay? Let go of the past issues. You need to heal, Taurus, okay? Merong healing na mangyayari sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, you are devastated sa nangyayari sa inyong family life, sa inyong partnership, or sa inyong marriage. Ma-overcome mo to, Taurus, okay? Yeah. You are stressed. Pagod na sa inyong situation, heartbreak, sadness, great sorrows, okay, when it comes to your work and your family dynamics sa inyong pamumuhay, okay? Merong important changes na mangyayari sa dynamics ng inyong family or sa iyong sitwasyon, okay? Yeah. Challenge ngayon ang inyong pagsasama ng inyong person. Husband man to or wife. Okay? Or if you are in a committed relationship, merong problema. Okay? For some of you, yung relasyon ninyo will be tested by a third party. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan about sa situation, about sa third party, okay, sa inyong part. Sa inyong relasyon. So, may kaliwanagan sa part mo, sa situation mo. You will be able to realize that it is not the end of everything. Taurus. You will be moving forward. You will come up with a bright ideas, new opportunities for you. Okay? Merong kaliwanagan. Merong pag-asa. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, yung hard work mo will be rewarded. Yeah. Okay? It will be recognized. Yung performance mo sa work, nakikita kung gaano ka kadeterminado sa work mo. May mga kailangang baguhin sa situation, may kailangan i-break sa situation, sa relationship. If you are in an unhealthy situation or relationship, kailangan siya i-break. Okay? May kailangang pagbabago sa sitwasyon mo for you to realize na merong nag-aantay sa inyo para makapagsimula ka, so that you can start all over again. Okay? Yeah, something is about to break for you to start all over again. Okay? Build something new. Magkaroon ng stability ang inyong pamumuhay, ang inyong sitwasyon when it comes sa relationship or sa trabaho. Okay? Tingnan natin for Taurus, please. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ina-accomplish, maybe a project, okay, na tinatapos, ginagawa. Madami kang ginagawa. You are stressed already, okay. Merong disappointment doon. Nagkakaroon ka ng disappointment. Okay. You will be demotivated of the situation of your work dahil sa pagod. Daming kailangang ayusin, ang daming kailangang i-attend or bigyan ng solusyon, left and right, okay? So, merong struggle sa completeness ng project, okay? And then, something, boom, magkakaroon ng solusyon, okay? Yeah. May kailangang baguhin sa sistema ng inyong ginagawa, sa project man na yun, sa proseso, okay? Sa trabaho mo. Okay? And magkakaroon ng solusyon or enlightenment. Hindi mo to ine-expect na mangyayari. Okay? Magkakaroon ng kaayusan. There will be victorious. You feel joy. You will be happy of the outcome. Okay? So, konting tiis, konting push pa. Malapit na sa finish line, okay? But then, along the way, magkakaroon ng problema, disappointment. Yeah. Yeah. You feel na parang hindi siya maayos. Hindi matatapos. Okay? Hindi stable ang iyong ginagawa. It's because merong kailangang ayusin along the way or sa process ng inyong project, ng inyong trabaho. Okay? Magkakaroon ng kaayusan. May changes. May kailangang baguhin sa sistema. Something like that. This is the energy. Taurus, just take what resonates for you. Take what resonates for you, Taurus. Okay. Tingnan natin. Okay. Yeah. Queen of Swords. You will be confident of the outcome of the situation. Okay. Yeah. You are clearing all things that no longer serve you. Okay, you will cut the cord. You will communicate what you need, what is right for you. Okay. Yeah, in order for you to balance things, kailangan mo i-let go yung mga hindi na nakakatulong sa inyo. Okay. Maybe sa relationship to. Release yourself from a third party situation. Okay. Release yourself from unhealthy patterns or behavior sa relationship or even sa career, sa trabaho, sa inyong ginagawa. Only then you can find happiness and joy. Okay. I-correct ang kailangan i-correct sa projects na ginagawa nyo, sa trabaho, or sa relasyon man. Okay. No phones, please. 10 against. Six of Swords. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, let go. Kung ano man itong nagpapahirap sa inyo, yung stress na nararanasan ninyo sa inyong current situation, let it go. Okay? Clear your mind. Move on. Kung kinakailangan umalis ka, or mag-travel ka, or umalis sa sitwasyon na yun, do it. Okay? For some of you, you have a child or children. Okay? You have to move forward peacefully. Kung napapagod ka na sa sitwasyon, okay? Be logical. Do what is best for you, Taurus. Yeah. So there will be an ending of pain or disappointment if you will let go, or if you will move forward, if you will move on. Okay? Pagkakaroon ng kaayusan sa iyong sitwasyon. Okay? Yes. Stress, pain. Okay? You need to heal. Okay? Merong healing na mangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon. You will be ending a painful situation in your life, Taurus. Yeah. Four of Wands. Page of Swords. Yeah. You know that someone, okay, merong spying. Or may gossip kang naririnig or napapansin mo, research. Maybe your person is having another family or is happy with someone else. May natuklasan ka, okay? Or may matutuklasan ka. And this is the decision, this is the turning point for you to make a change. Okay? You can apply it sa work mo. Okay? Merong hindi fair na nangyayari sa situation. You know about that. That someone is getting a favor and not you. And this is a turning point for you to make a change, a big move, to make a big move, bold move, para mabago mo ang sitwasyon mo, yung buhay mo, okay? Just take what resonates, Taurus. Yeah. Moving on. Yes. Aalisan mo ang isang sitwasyon. Pagod ka na. Now you have the clarity. You have gained information. Okay? Meron ka ng basis sa nangyayari. And now you will move on. There will be separation. Okay? May iiwanan kang sitwasyon. Okay? Now you know what you want. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng clarity sa inyong sitwasyon, magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan, magkakaroon na ng kasagutan, yung matagal mo ng tinatanong. Okay? Yung matagal mo nang hinahanap, you will find the clarity of the situation. Then, you will move forward, you will go away, okay? Para sa sarili mo, para sa iyong kapakanan. You know what you want. Okay? Malalaman mo na kung ano yung gusto mo ngayon. Okay? You will decide for yourself. Okay? Taurus. You are tired. Parang pagod na pagod ka na. Not only physically, but also emotionally. Mm-hmm. Merong kaliwanagan para sa iyo, Taurus, sa inyong sitwasyon. You will get enlightenment and clarity. May magbabago, may pagbabago na mangyayari sa sistema mo, sa sitwasyon mo. Merong matatapos, may ending, okay? You'll be moving forward. Okay? You will speak the truth, okay? By knowing the truth, you will gain clarity on what to do next. Okay? Taurus. Victory in some endeavor. Okay? For some of you, merong success. Okay? You will be victorious sa trabaho man to, sa passion projects mo, creative projects, business, or simply sa inyong ginagawa. You feel good about it. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. Okay? Sorrow, 3 of Swords. You will be able to overcome it. Embrace. Embrace it para makamove forward ka. Grapes, time to go out and have fun. Yes. You owe that to yourself. Okay? Have fun. Contact your friends. Connect with your friends. Lumabas ka. Enjoy. Okay? Huwag magmukmok sa kwarto or sa sulok ng bahay nyo. Okay? Do not dwell. Do not grieve. You are grieving. Okay? Arrow. You are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. Okay? You are on the right path. Follow your intuition. Know what is best for you and do it. Hammock. Taking a vacation physically or mentally. Yes. You need space. Okay? Magbakasyon ka, ipahinga mo ang iyong isip at ang iyong katawan. Magpahinga ka. Taurus. Both. Money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. Okay? You will be receiving money. Okay? Merong elevation or success when it comes to your material wealth. Okay? Money man yan. Okay? Inheritance. Mana. Pera. Property. You will be receiving it. It will be granted to you or rewarded to you. Okay? You will be victorious. Happy times ahead for you. Let go. I-let go mo yung mga disappointments na naglilinger sa inyo, yung hurt. Okay? Let go. Heal, Taurus. Tingnan natin. For Taurus, please. You are so much closer to a powerful breakthrough than you may realize. You have been praying for things to heal, new opportunities to appear, relationships to improve, and these prayers will be answered soon. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Taurus. Maraming salamat sa iyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay? Bye!